breaking developments in the fight against the coronavirus. Britain has become the first country to approve the Pfizer vaccine for emergency use. It's the world's first coronavirus shot backed by rigorous science. Pfizer and partner BioNTech announced this morning that they received permission to use the vaccine in Britain. The first shots will be rolled out next week. And the move makes Britain one of the first countries to start vaccinating its population. Meantime, the U.S. isn't too far behind. 2 vaccines are waiting for FDA approval. The CDC says the first Americans could receive a dose in just 13 days. Among the first in line, healthcare workers and seniors in long-term care facilities. Nearly 2,600 people in the U.S. died from COVID just yesterday, the second highest since the pandemic started. And almost 100,000 people are hospitalized with the illness, setting a new daily record. As Nadia Bacchus reports, the growing number of cases is overloading hospitals, while some economic relief could be on the way.
A panel of experts assembled by the CDC held a meeting and voted on which Americans will receive a coronavirus vaccine first. The approximately 20 million doses that could be made available by the end of the year will go to healthcare workers and nursing home residents. Federal documents obtained by CBS News point to December 15th for states to start receiving the Pfizer vaccine. The Moderna vaccine would first become available a week later. Both are waiting on emergency FDA authorization. As Americans struggle, a bipartisan group of lawmakers introduced a $908 billion COVID relief package before key programs expire at the end of the year.
We cannot abandon the American people, the families who are suffering at this time.
This 4-month COVID-19 emergency relief package will help get us through the hardest months of winter and into a new administration.
With cases rising, so are restrictions. Most of California is already under a mandatory curfew, and the governor warns he may institute a full stay-at-home order. Rhode Island has opened 2 field hospitals with a combined 900 beds to deal with the flood of COVID-19 patients. In Michigan, the McWalters family mourns after losing both parents to COVID-19 just days before Thanksgiving, 1 minute apart.
Torn between these 2 rooms at exactly the same time. I just need for this to never happen to another family.
Leslie and Patricia McWalters had been married for 47 years. Nadia Bacchus, CBS News, Los Angeles.
Well, the CDC is also reporting that the virus was in the U.S. as early as last December. The study found evidence of the virus in blood donations